Tired of constantly overspending and wondering where your money actually goes? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into PocketGuard, a budgeting app promising to take the stress out of managing your finances. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's find out. Managing your money can feel like a constant uphill battle. Bills piling up, unexpected expenses popping out of nowhere, and that nagging feeling that you're not saving enough. Enter budgeting apps, promising to simplify your finances and help you achieve your financial goals. One such app gaining popularity is PocketGuard. PocketGuard is a personal finance management app that aims to make budgeting easier and more intuitive. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to give you a real-time view of your income and expenses. The app then analyzes your spending habits and provides insights into where your money is going. In-depth spending analysis, PocketGuard categorizes your spending automatically, allowing you to easily track where your money is going. You can see how much you're spending on dining, entertainment, groceries, and more. Budgeting tools, the app sets automatic budgets based on your income and spending patterns. You can also create custom budgets for specific categories and set saving goals. Debt tracking, PocketGuard helps you track your debt and provide strategies for paying it down faster. It can even estimate how long it will take to become debt-free. Saving goals, the app allows you to set saving goals for anything from a vacation to a down payment on a house. It provides personalized saving plans and tracks your progress. In-app chat support, PocketGuard offers in-app chat support to answer any questions you may have about the app or your finances. Pros: user-friendly interface, PocketGuard is easy to navigate and understand, even for beginners. Automated features, many features are automated, saving you time and effort. Helpful insights, the app provides valuable insights into your spending habits. Affordable pricing, the basic version is free, with premium options available. Cons: accuracy of automated categorization. While generally accurate, automated categorization may sometimes misclassify transactions. Limited customization, some users may find the customization options to be limited. Data privacy concerns, as with any app that connects to your financial accounts, there are potential data privacy concerns. Who is PocketGuard for? PocketGuard is ideal for individuals who are new to budgeting or looking for a simple and easy-to-use app. It's also a good option for those who want to gain a better understanding of their spending habits. However, it may not be the best choice for those who require advanced budgeting features or extensive customization options. Some popular alternatives to PocketGuard include Mint, Personal Capital, and in-app, You Need a Budget. PocketGuard is a solid budgeting app that offers a user-friendly experience and helpful features. While it may not be perfect for everyone, it's a great option for those looking for a simple and effective way to track their spending and improve their financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.